Hi, I'm Kyle and I'm in the Welder Apprenticeship program. Yeah, so I came right out of high school with an apprenticeship. In order to complete that apprenticeship, I have to do 3 terms of in-school training. So Conestoga offers all 3 years of that in-school training. And then once my in-school training is done, I will then take my test for my Red Seal as a Red Seal journeyman welder. And given that I pass with what I've learned from here, I'm set, and it sets me apart from someone who only has the tickets for welding versus me that will have my Red Seal. The Red Seal is good across Canada, so that's another benefit to it. But yeah, it all stems from coming to school for the 3 years of in-class training and then taking that test. Every machine, any kind of tool machine, it's all brand new, it's easy to use. It's not like, you're digging stuff out to just get your project done. It's right there, everything's there, you just grab it and go. It's honestly it's like the perfect setup, really. Like, you're not exposed to any fumes or anything like that. That's the biggest thing is the smell of the smoke. It's nice to be able to have it just pulled right out and not even have to worry about it. It's perfect conditions. It makes things easier knowing the reason why you're doing something. And with being able to work as well as do the in-shop and in-class, I'm able to see the problem firsthand in the field, and then I get to learn about why that problem happened. It makes learning a lot easier when you actually want to be there, and the teachers are getting the message across in a way that you can understand it. It's also nice that the teachers that are teaching, they've also been in the trade for years. It's not like they're just reading out of a book and just telling you. They've actually been there and done it and figured out the issues, and it's very helpful to be able to bounce ideas, even if it's not from something in the textbook. I ask so many questions. I honestly think that the other students get sick of hearing me talk because I ask so many questions. We're all pretty tight-knit. Like, we're all there because we want to be, and we all want to learn. We all want to succeed later on. So it's a nice, easygoing environment. We actually have a group chat where we send different pictures of different projects we're working on at the time, and we get to joke around and stuff. We are classmates, but now we're friends. So yeah, we support each other. I'm very proud of what I accomplished at Conestoga. I've managed to, over 2 years, I've managed to have a 3.93 GPA, and yeah, I'm very happy. I'm very proud of, I'm happy with myself for that. So yes, I see my student ID in my wallet every day. I open it, and I just think that I'm en route to following the path that I've decided for myself, and I'm 2/3 of the way there now, so every time I open it, it's just incentive to keep working hard, and it's coming. That Red Seal is going to be there someday, so